Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I am fine. I can present how to digital marketing. What is the digital marketing? Earn for digital marketing. This is the platform uses the how to make money on the digital marketing. Digital marketing, the present time is a very important part of any business in development, the business development, your business, your brand value, the very important part, the digital marketing gain the successful your business, your brand value, etc. etc. The example, what is the digital marketing and why it does matter? The tips is the plan of discovery today. Digital marketing means use the digital channel like search engine optimization, social media, email, mobile apps, and website promote product service. The enable team the include marketing using the digital device and TV or radio and digital platform, digital goods. The example online digital marketing, the search engine optimization, the optimized website improve the basic to rank and search engine like Google. Pay per click PPC, paying the advertising and approve search engine result pay social media platform. Social media marketing 3. The social media marketing, the creating and sharing content on social media platforms and Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, etc. etc. A lot of social media, the brand awareness and engagement. The content marketing, the create and share the valuable content such as blog post, ebook, videos and attach and relative the space audience. The relevant detail offline media and advertising using the TV marketing, billboards, advertising platform, and this person is tradition marketing. The friends, the very important part, the digital marketing is a digital platform uses your product and brand belows the marketing, the international market. You can highly accept a lot of make money gain of using digital marketing. You can this skill development, the how to make money, lot of the marketplace Upwork and Fiverr the lot sellers the in earning the digital marketing and Upwork the lot of sellers the digital marketing. Then as like digital marketing two part, the SEO search engine optimization, social media, total digital marketing, the lot of part, very important part, SEO search engine optimization. You can technique use the search engine optimization, your website ranking, another YouTube video ranking, a lot of the social media platform, using social media marketing, social media management, the how to make money, the online platform but earn money. As like digital marketing, the popular two part, one part of search engine optimization, social media marketing, video marketing, e-commerce marketing, email marketing, SEM and music promotion, paid social media campaign marketing. The very important part, the search engine optimization and social media marketing, video marketing. You can skill hand the any skill hand gain the lot of make money earn for this platform. You can study the search engine optimization, on page SEO, off page SEO, e-commerce SEO, YouTube video SEO, etc. etc. The very important part, just your social media ad and social media related all job skill in gain the lot of make money earn the make money. You're the skill hand the Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, the social media marketing. Social media platform is a very important part of the how to make money, the online platform. You can very easy and simple way the two or three social media platform uses as like YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, Reddit, etc. etc. But you are very excellent very excellent income of digital marketing. The best number one part of search engine optimization. Number two, search engine optimization, the 2 or 3 part of page SEO, on page SEO, local SEO or technical SEO, e-commerce SEO, video SEO, lot of part. The very important and easy work, the YouTube video SEO, of page SEO and on page SEO. Same thing, your digital marketing, the one part. Second part, the social media marketing, paid social media marketing, influencer marketing, and community management. You can make money. The how to make money very easy. The I know, but everybody the uses the social media platform as like Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, Reddit, LinkedIn, etc. But you can your technique uses, your technique apply, then the make money of online platform. You can trusted and unique and the ideal marketplace, the Fiverr and Upwork. You can start it to Fiverr and Upwork. Just for search in Google, Google search www.google.com. You can search Upwork site and Fiverr site. I can suggest the two platform you can work in, Upwork and Fiverr marketplace. Upwork, I can see the Fiverr marketplace on Upwork. The lot of seller, Upwork, the system or the search engine optimization, social media, digital marketing, and Amazon expert. The lot of seller, the 1 hours, $10, $30, $30. The one seller is a 90k US dollar earned for the search engine optimization work on Upwork. And Facebook ad campaign, TikTok, LinkedIn, Google ad campaign, Google specialist, the $30 per hour, the 300k US dollar earned. As like the sellers in offering CTR, CPM, CPA, EPC, CCA, CPA, etc. Digital marketing, social media optimization, Google Ad Manager, Google Ad Campaign, Facebook Ad Manager, Facebook Ad Campaign, pay-per-click advertising, Google Ads, local SEO, search engine optimization, on-page SEO, page SEO, SEO strategy, Facebook Ad Campaign, and Google Ad Manager, social media marketing, TikTok ads, and YouTube Ad Manager. Same, another person he is offering the hour $30, the Upwork, the digital marketing strategy, search engine optimization, social media platform, social media planner, content creator, design writing, community manager, and transcription, etc. The marketing manager, social media management. The lot of seller, the how to make money, lot of make money earn for this online platform. Very easy system in the digital marketing two part, very important two part. And the number one, search engine optimization. Number two, social media marketing. Number three, video marketing. Number four, e-commerce marketing. Number 5, SEM, search engine, social media marketing, email marketing, music promotion, and paid social media. I can request every freelancer, every person known the 2 or 1 skill hands, how to make money, the search engine optimization, social media marketing, video marketing. The demandable work, lot of people, the how to lot of $1,000 earn for this, the search engine optimization work in Fiverr and Upwork, social media marketing, social media management, paid social media, influencer marketing, community management, the lot of earn. The methods of techniques, video marketing, e-commerce marketing, email marketing, guest posting, affiliate marketing, display advertising, public relation, text message and marketing. Analytic and system, the marketing strategy, marketing advanced, the web analytic. I can search the social media search engine optimization, video marketing, as like offering video marketing. The video marketing, the three part, the video promotion and distribution, video SEO, video search engine optimization, and YouTube management, and content and audience research, consultant and audience research. The lot of sellers, the your gig selling, you will certify the YouTube channel management, organic growth, and YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, a lot of service, the Fiverr marketplace. You can study to this site. I can request and very easy and simple I earn the platform of video promotion. Video promotion is a lot of demand, lot of earn the Fiverr marketplace. The lot of sellers sells your gig, your apply, and video marketing and video SEO, on page SEO, off page SEO, and channel management. The very important part, the channel management and YouTube channel management, YouTube logo create, YouTube channel create, YouTube logo, YouTube thumbnail, YouTube banner, YouTube content creator, YouTube video SEO, and YouTube video promotion, and our targeted audience, the increase in client YouTube channel views and subscriber, and how to make money, the Google ad campaign, Google ad management, etc., etc. They are very easy and simple. The digital marketing, everybody know the earn for digital marketing. I can the practical class, the next video, the total digital marketing and make money game online platform. I am the practical skill hand, practical class on practical videos, record my computer, and that skill is video marketing and social media marketing, and so this total digital marketing, total digital search engine optimization. Thank you very much, my friends, my audience. Please like my videos, and your special comments, your need my comments, and any wrong or right topics and spelling, please comment me. Thank you very much. Best of luck, all my friends, and can do the success online platform, the how to earn money, make money on marketplace, Upwork marketplace, and social media marketplace, Upwork market and Fiverr marketplace, the worldwide very very important and trusted market, Upwork and Fiverr. You validate market, you can skill development, how to gain total digital marketing, earn for digital marketing. I again to repeat, digital marketing also called online marketing, is the promotion and brands to contain with the potential customer using the internet and others forum and digital communication. This including not to email and social media, web-based advertising, but also text and multimedia message in marketing channel. What is the digital marketing? The number one, the digital marketing, social media marketing, content marketing, email marketing, mobile marketing, marketing analysis and affiliate marketing, search engine optimization, pay per click, etc., etc. The 2003, the successful digital marketing strategy, 2023, responsive website, search engine optimization, content marketing, social media marketing, influencer marketing, email marketing, and affiliate marketing. You can trust anybody. This is the skill hand development, the gain your earn money, the search engine optimization, content marketing, social media marketing, and influencer marketing, email marketing, video marketing. Thank you. Best of luck.